I hear something. Oh no. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
G'day mates, today's episode will be a special one. For the first time in local geographic history, we'll be travelling to Africa to study the animals that live there and their evolutionary patterns.
Yeah, this one's going to be a great episode, so sit back, relax, and be grateful that you're not the one going on these dangerous adventures with us.
So here's some background information you need to know about our trip. We'll be studying natural selection, or the study of how organisms adapt to their environment based on advantageous traits. So you see, natural selection and the process of evolution drives the diversity and unity of life.
There are several different types of natural selection. There's directional, disruptive, and stabilizing selection.
We'll take you through each of these types as we explore different animals in the wild. We're about to witness an example of disruptive selection right here in the driveway of the sanctuary. So there are three main types of bears that live here. Black bears, white bears, and grey bears. I know them by their colours. So as you can see, the environment is purely black and white. This means that grey bears will have a hard time finding places to hide from predators. This means that they are easy to find by many predators, while the white and black bears can blend in perfectly. Oh, I see some bears coming now. Let's go and hide and watch what happens.
Here, we can see a black bear hiding in its environment from a lethal green predator. She'll be right. Watch as the green predator attempts to find prey, but ultimately fails. On the other side of the spectrum, we have a white bear hiding from the long-clawed tiger. The white bear stealthily hides, rendering the tiger hungry. Here, folks, we have a gray bear trying to camouflage with the black and white environments, yet it cannot. Take a look at this disruptive selection. Only the extreme colors can blend in with their habitat, but notice how the gray bear is naturally selected because of its unique color.
We're about to see directional selection. Now this type of selection is where the extreme version of the allele is favored over the non-extreme version. We can see this happen in giraffes. There's some right over here. Follow me.
This small giraffe over here is struggling to reach the leaves. Oh no. Crikey, it just died.
2,000 years later.
This tall giraffe over here is enjoying a good snack.
Wow! Did you see that? That little giraffe over there just died!
The tall giraffe had a mutation that allowed it to reach the leaves.
Therefore, surviving and reproducing to make even more naturally tall giraffes. Now that is directional selection.
Mates, we're about to see another example of natural selection right here in the jungle. Let's watch these trees closely.
What you say? What you say?
Crikey! What we just witnessed here is a perfect example of stabilizing selection. The tall tree didn't survive because of its susceptibility to the strong winds above. Likewise, the short tree didn't survive because sunlight didn't get to reach it. Only the middle tree survived. Both extreme versions of the allele were at a disadvantage.
Wow, what a fun and educational trip!
Yeah, and we learned so much about how animals adapt to their environment through natural selection and how certain traits are favored over others.
Yeah, now let's recap what we've learned so far.
So, to recap, natural selection is an evolutionary process in which certain alleles are favored over others and more fit individuals survive and therefore reproduce. The more fit individuals are produced as a result of modification to the original alleles.
This allows populations to adapt to their environment more efficiently.
Natural selection is an important part of evolution, the process that drives the diversity of life. Understanding evolution allows today's scientists to make new discoveries related to the environment and even medicine.
Yep, that's all we have for you today, mates. We hope you enjoyed.
See you next time on
Local Geographic.